If your chart is completely covered in old trend lines, text boxes, and indicators, don't delete them. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your messy charts using TradingView's hidden object tree. Go to the far right side vertical toolbar and click the icon that looks like stacked sheets of paper. This is the object tree. Think of this exactly like layers in Photoshop. Every single drawing and indicator on your current chart has its own line item here. You can click the eyeball icon next to any specific trend line indicator to temporarily hide it and clean up your view without losing your work. Let's try this out. Our chart automatically looks much cleaner. And to take this to the next level, if you're on Windows, click Control, on Mac, hit Command, and then click multiple drawings in this list to select them all at once. And then all you have to do is right click and hit Create Group. And now let's rename this to something like 15-minute time frame lines. Awesome. And now we can lock or hide these all in one click like this. Amazing. Have a great day, guys.